If there's anything that makes me very uncomfortable, it is badly tufted seats or headboards or whatever. I always feel like pulling out the buttons and rearranging the tufts. But have I ever done it before?
No!
I have never. So I found this very complicated, but very doable. My name is Esther Tuju. Hi, what's up everyone and welcome back. I am Esther Tuju, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made a beautiful bench. It was a total first for me, and so I learned a ton of stuff, but not without mistakes and oversights. But you stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how I did it. First thing I did, I went to YouTube. Of course, I looked at other videos of how people have done it. When I woke up in the morning, the first thing I did, I went into the store. I got 2 pieces of wood. They were quite long and they're measuring, I think, 2 by 2. They're recycled wood, so they all had nails in them. I pulled out the nails, cut them into the appropriate sizes, and we sanded them down. I made the legs about 16 inches. So when I was cutting the boards that I'm sticking to the base of the seat, 2 of them were 20 inches long, 2 of them were 12 inches long. Janet was sanding. Janet has been very gracious to help me. As Janet was sanding, I went ahead to do the top. Attached the legs by putting screws on each side and also at the very top. Once this was done, I passed a long stick from the bottom to mark where the holes would be, and I cut out circles. I used a utility knife to cut out this circle, and Janet was using some other tool over there. I then passed the thread from the bottom of the fabric and down under the base of the seat, where I used a stapler to fix the thread so it wouldn't move. I was using the wrong needle. This is what I was using. pulling that fabric was not easy. You kind of have to arrange it and then have to be very precise about where you put the thread for the fabric to pull it down. This is what I was supposed to be using. Once I had the correct needle, I moved on so fast. I have arranged buttons like a pro. After that, I genuinely took a 2 days break. I couldn't feel my fingers. The biggest lesson I learned. When you're going to fold in that fabric, it actually shows you who's the boss. I'm not going to judge anymore. This is something I've always wanted to do, and now I can finally strike it off my project list. As always, thank you so much for clicking the link and taking a few minutes out to watch this video, for hitting the subscribe button, and for liking and commenting and sharing. I do not take it for granted. See you here next week. Please let me know in the comment section. So that's it. Another beautiful bench DIY. So that's how I made, no, I already said that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for taking your time. Thank you so much for clicking the link and choosing to spend your Thank you so much for taking your time out to watch this video, and I hope to see you next week.